Well, Microsoft is keeping the AI momentum going. The tech giant today debuting a software incorporating artificial intelligence designed to streamline processes for frontline workers. Yahoo Finance's Dan Howley joins us now with more on this announcement. So break this down for us, Dan.
Yeah, Rochelle, this is a kind of co-pilot. This is a type of AI capability that companies are rolling out. Microsoft really pushing the name, which basically means a chatbot, ability to search, ability to go through corporate data, things along those lines. Basically, an AI assistant overall. That's what a co-pilot is. So this is co-pilot for Dynamics 365 field service. Now, this is for frontline workers, managers, folks who are in areas like technicians who do electrical work or are out in the field doing waterworks, things along those lines. It will allow them to more easily schedule, set up appointments, communicate with customers, things along those lines, basically helping to ensure that these workers get things done more smoothly. It's, again, another part of Microsoft's effort to move forward with AI as part of its overall enterprise offerings. Their productivity suites already have AI. Its enterprise capabilities have AI. They have Copilot for Microsoft 365. We saw the pricing for that at $30 per user per month help elevate Microsoft's share prices last month. Since then, in their earnings report, they've fallen off a bit. Pricing for this isn't going to be as wild as that $30. I think it's around $225 a month, but I would have to double check. So it's not going to be massive, but it just shows how much Microsoft is leaning on AI to go across its various product offerings, from Windows 11 all the way to the enterprise and even into the field in this space with 365 Copilot for Dynamics 365 for field workers.
So they're continuing to roll out all these different co-pilot actions here for their chatbots. And of course, Dan, before you go, I want to get your take on Meta's Threads. CEO Mark Zuckerberg saying that Threads will roll out new updates this week. So what are some of the updates? And do you think this announcement will attract more users or perhaps get the subscribers to engage more?
Yeah, so we have a post. It wouldn't be a tweet on Threads, a thread, I guess. Still trying to figure that out. Anyway, basically, Zuckerberg says new updates to Threads this week. Talks about being able directly to share posts from Threads to Instagram DMs, custom alt text for photo and video. Basically, you can put in alt text if you have a video that you want to post so that it'll pop up when people mouse over it. And then a new mention button so that you can, at people or mention them in posts. And, he had mentioned that there's going to be other features coming down the pike. I think really what they need to do, and this is something that I've spoken about before, is add more of a web presence, the ability for social media managers to really lean on Threads as a secondary option to X/Twitter, and provide them with the means to do that easily. That's something that Meta needs to work on if they want this to actually be the platform that overtakes X at this point. Threads came out with a bang. It was, whoa, here's a company that, is really has the ability, scale, and means to overtake X. But since then, I mean, people have kind of cooled off on it. So, it would be interesting to see them roll out even more features that match up with what X has to offer. And then we could really see, blow for blow, which one's going to come out on top. I say blow for blow. Mark Zuckerberg, just want to point this out, on his last thread, he talks about how he doesn't think that he's going to fight Elon Musk. He said he's not holding his breath. So, maybe we'll see this fight still happen, either over the products or them in person.
Yeah, I don't know. Musk's doing a lot of that. Oh, my neck, my back. So I'm like, that. I don't know if that fight's going to happen. But thank you. And I know you'll be watching no matter what happens. Our very own Dan Howley. Thanks so much.